In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Klaviyo password. Whether you're looking to update your password for enhanced security or simply because you've forgotten it, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. To start, you'll need to navigate to your Klaviyo account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the interface. Here, you'll see the name of your organization. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now that you're on the Settings page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Account tab. This is where all the user-related settings are housed. Under the Account tab, you'll find options labeled Users and Profile. Choose one of these, depending on what appears on your screen. They both serve as gateways to your user profile settings. Scroll through the list of users until you find your personal user profile row. This is where you can make changes to your account. Next to your name, there should be an option that says either Edit or Update Password. Click on it to proceed. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your current password. This step is crucial as it verifies your identity and ensures that only authorized users can make changes to the account. Think of it as a necessary security checkpoint to protect your information. Once you've successfully entered your current password, you'll need to type in your new password. Make sure your new password meets Klaviyo's security guidelines, which generally include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and possibly special characters. A strong password is key to keeping your account secure, so choose wisely. After entering your new password, you'll be prompted to confirm it. This means typing it once again into the designated field. This step minimizes the risk of typos, ensuring that you've entered your desired new password correctly. Finally, to complete the process, click on the Save or Update Password button. This action finalizes the change and your new password will be set. If you've followed these steps accurately, you should now be able to access your account with your new password. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Klaviyo password. Remember, regularly updating your password is a good practice to keep your account secure. If you ever encounter any issues or forget your new password, don't hesitate to use the password recovery options available on the login page. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it made the process quick and easy for you.